Good morning, Rax. Today is Tuesday, April 28th, which fittingly makes today World Day of Safety and Health at Work. And you notice the hard hats there, but there's certainly others that are putting themselves in danger, including some of you, especially some of our older students that are still working. Please be safe in your profession. Three big things today, a lot to go through. Please send Miss Dolan any things that you want to have submitted in the yearbook. She needs photos. If you want to take some photos of you wearing a face mask, it'll help chronicle this very odd year of 2020. Send it to her email. Counselors Connect series has a lot going on. Check out what Ms. Shirin has sent for you. But here's some positive thinking and kindness for your day about caring for others and finding happiness throughout your life. And lastly, I mentioned it a while ago, but if you have sports jerseys, equipment, fundraising items that need to get back to Laskowski, he needs to collect them by Friday. Any students that have Rax athletic gear, let him know what you have. Let him know where you can pick, where he can pick it up. Send him an email and get that taken care of. No birthdays at Rax, so Jessica Elba wins for the day. Harper Lee, I think, was the other one from To Kill a Mockingbird. That was about it for today. Have a great Tuesday, Rax.